cows here are currently learning the system. That means learning how to eat, where to eat, and also how to take measurements before we get into feeding that 3-NOP that we're going to utilize to look at and see how does it reduce emissions. Our study is looking at 3 different groups, one being the group that receives no 3-NOP, a group that will receive a low dose of that 3-NOP, and another group that will receive the high dose of the 3-NOP. We have acquired a data ranger which helps track and analyze how much feed we're giving to cows on a daily basis. And feeding 66 cows, 6 different diets across 3 different treatments, we needed this new machine to help do that so that we could accurately take how much they don't eat, how much they're supposed to eat, and quickly and easily analyze how much feed our cows are eating every single day. Many dairy farms here in California, approximately 1/5 to more of them, are utilizing digesters on farms to trap and capture the potential methane gas that's produced from this manure when it sits on farms in lagoons. 3-NOP can be one of the solutions to reduce enteric methane from dairy cows on farms, but today we're simulating what a digester on one of these farms looks like. Here in the Mitloehner Lab, we're testing how 3-NOP molecule impacts the manure methane potential of dairy cows fed it. We start by utilizing our system here, where we take effluent, or the broth coming from a digester, and we mix in manure from our cows. We then put this in a hot water bath here, under an anaerobic environment or no oxygen, which allows it to produce the gases of carbon dioxide and methane. We get to this intermediate step where we go ahead and take that carbon dioxide out, focus predominantly on methane alone, and then we go over to our flow cells here, where once enough gas pressure builds up, these flow cells go up and raise, and therefore accounts for every single drop of methane produced. And then from the last part here, we can then see how this impacts manure methane potential of cows that are fed it or not fed this additive. By looking at this 2-play system, we can look and achieve these emission reductions for long-term sustainability of the California dairy industry.